Take me out of here. Open it.
This is Sophia. How did Sophia get imprisoned in the place and what kind of place is this? Let's go and see in our story. Sophia lived with her parents. Their house had a beautiful little garden. Sophia spent most of her time in the garden. She liked taking care of flowers and plants. One day, when Sophia was watering the flowers in her garden, she saw a rabbit. She was very surprised to see a rabbit in her home garden. She went to the rabbit and saw that it had a thorn stuck in its paw. Sophia removed the thorn and the rabbit jumped up and thanked her. Sophia was very surprised to see a talking rabbit. The rabbit told her, "My name is Coco. I am not from here. I came here from the ice cream world through a wrong channel." Sophia said, "Ice cream world? What kind of place is this?" The rabbit said, "If you want, you can come with me and see my world." Sophia was very happy. She loved to see new places and explore. She agreed to go with Coco. The Coco took her to the corner of the garden where the tunnel went into the ground. The tunnel was very dark. Coco jumped into the tunnel and told Sophia to follow him. At first, Sophia was a little scared, but then she went. For a while, both of them walked in the tunnel. Finally, they saw light. Coco jumped and ran towards the light and came out of the tunnel. Sophia also came out of the tunnel behind him and was amazed to see a unique world because she had reached the magical world of ice cream. This world was filled with colorful ice cream houses, chocolates, and trees made of delicious candies. Then little cute rabbits from all sides started to grow like Sophia. They were all very happy to meet Sophia. Sophia had a lot of fun in this unique world. She went to a house made up of jelly and played a lot. She also traveled in the chocolate river there. She ate ice cream to her heart's content there and then returned home before night. Now, Sophia often visited the ice cream world to meet her friend Coco and had a lot of fun there. But one day, when Sophia was going to meet Coco, a storm arose and it started to rain ice cubes. Sophia and Coco waited in their chocolate house for the storm to stop. Finally, when the storm stopped, they saw that the tunnel had been blocked by ice cubes. Together, they removed the ice cubes and were surprised to see that there were two tunnels instead of one. They couldn't understand how the second one had appeared. Sophia couldn't figure out which tunnel led to her home. Finally, Sophia and Coco entered one of the tunnels, and when they came out of the other side, they were surprised to see that they had landed on a different planet instead of Earth. Coco told Sophia to go back, but Sophia wanted to explore this planet too. She said, "Now that we are here, let's explore this planet first." Coco stopped Sophia and said, "We don't know about the people here. We might get into trouble." But Sophia was determined to explore the planet. She started to move forward. At that moment, Coco said that he was hearing some sounds and they should go back. But Sophia said it was nothing. Coco hid himself. But at that moment, many soldiers came forward and surrounded Sophia. They caught Sophia and took her to their prince. Sophia was very scared. The prince saw her and asked,
Who are you? And what are you doing in our area without our permission? Are you a spy?
No, I'm from planet Earth, and I came here by mistake. Please let me go.
You can't go back now. You have to marry me. And you will always stay here.
Sophia was very upset when she heard the prince's word and she said,
I can't marry you. I have to go back.
Listen, girl. You can't go from here in any way. You have to marry me. Or I will imprison you forever in the basement here.
I will never marry a cruel prince like you. Let me go back home.
Hearing this, the prince became angry and ordered the soldiers to imprison Sophia in the basement forever. The soldiers took Sophia to the basement and imprisoned her there. Sophia cried.
Take me out of here. Open it.
Sophia started crying and remembering her parents. Sophia was very sorry that she hadn't listened to Coco. She was thinking that Coco must have returned to his own world by now. After a while, Sophia heard some sounds from the ground. She was very scared, but then she saw Coco. Seeing Coco, Sophia came back to life. Coco told her that he had made a way to escape the basement through a tunnel. Coco and Sophia escaped through that way. Some soldiers saw them and chased them to catch them, but both of them quickly entered the tunnel and returned to the ice cream world. As soon as they reached there, they closed the tunnel so that no one from that planet could enter their world. Sophia thanked Coco and went home. Her parents were very worried and were looking for Sophia. They were very happy to see Sophia. Sophia also told them about her adventure, and her parents were very surprised to hear it. The next day, when Sophia went to the garden, she couldn't see the tunnel leading to the ice cream world anywhere, and then she never met Coco again.